radish. You know, Teflon, Eve.
They wanna know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, basically, I'm going to the beach. These are my cousins. Guys, show your face. Okay, so I'm kind of there for most of the nights because too much noise around this stuff. But please subscribe and like. So I'm going to introduce my family now. This is my mom.
Hey y'all, hey y'all, hey y'all.
And that's my cousin. This one, I like this one also. So I put my phone. So I put my phone on charge and come back. Alright, cause nice.
Yeah. On the very start.
So guys, we are going. Hi. So these are my little cousins. Bro, oh. Just the end to the vlog. Chop.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass.
We stop and go buy some supermarket. And you know, most of the time when you go on road trip, you have to stop and buy some. So, without a backward square. Guys, we are waiting.
A few moments later.
So guys, we reach home. Took me an old time to come here, guys. Tired now.
I think it's look out for the most frozen people there. Frozen. One is this, huh? No.
Stop it! Come. What is Yeah. So guys, I'm at the beach, guys. The sun hot though.
The sun hot.
Somebody boy picking not stress me. So real. So guys, this Jay stands for her best friend and her cousin. And Jay here. How do you do this shit? How do you look beach, guys? Period. Can't move on to over your family. Sandcastle. At her big A. So walk. Mama. But me I make grandma in our room. It's not. There, so make me, but me can't make sure me can make my grandma one. Oh my god, you come with crab. Not the crab. Not the crab.
God have mercy upon us.
Grandma, one fucking.
Here I am with the crab. Crab. Look at where them are watching on their crab.
One fucking crab.
Okay guys, so yesterday my phone did dead palm and everything, so I never get to finish up the vlog, but I enjoy myself. We stop off and buy food and we come back straight home. Then we go and sit up in the night. I'm come home and drop asleep. So now I just I'm just have to finish off the vlog. But thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, guys.